Hey everybody, Jeff Yentzer, vibranthealthvideos.com, and here's some ginger that I planted just earlier today, mulched in there. And you can see I got a trench dug here. I've got this ginger was just growing in this container, and I just dumped it out here, right, ready to go. I've got this biochar that me and some friends, we went to this guy's property with a lot of bamboo, and Hurricane Milton had just kind of gone through there, so there was a lot of bamboo that was down and it needed to be cleaned up. So we made like this huge amount of biochar and this is just fresh from bamboo, right? And we're just going to sprinkle a bit of that down in there and mix it in as we go. All right, now let's come over here and break this apart a little bit. Let's see what we got. Okay, there's a nice clump. Maybe we can harvest some of this. I'm gonna tell you what, I'm gonna put this I'm gonna plant in a container instead of in here. And we'll take another couple. I'm kind of breaking them off there. Okay, this you come down here, and then you got that. Look at that piece of ginger right there. I think I'm going to harvest some of this, and then the rest I will plant in a container. I broke some off. It's being too rough. Okay, so anyways, here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill these in. I probably have to lift them up a little. They're a little deep, but I'll mix some of this dirt in here, and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, there you can see this one. I lifted it up a little bit and got some of this soil underneath it, and also mixed in a little bit of mulch, not too much, and blended it in there. So that's elevated. You know, this will be up about like that. So it's a little bit, bury a little bit of the stem, right, but not too much of it. And then I can just fill this in, right, and mulch around it, and I'll do it to all these guys. Okay, you can see I've added some dirt, raised it up, put in some more biochar. You know, over here I've already blended it in. You know, we'll blend that into the soil, add more soil to it, right? Get it around there, blend it in with the biochar. Get your fingers in the dirt, right? Touch the earth, love the earth. The earth is awesome, right? And then we'll get some of this mulch. I can bring this in by the wheelbarrow, right? And we'll add to it some more good old earth, right? More mulch. All right. Add more mulch and more soil, and we're done. All right, so here we got a beautiful looking piece of ginger. Look at that, baby. And look at all the little roots that are growing out of it. You could easily just propagate that into several more ginger plants. However, we're going to harvest some. We're going to eat that, and we still got this massive hunk right here with all these root hairs coming off of it, right? Plus all the little pieces that I ripped off of that one, and when I was cleaning it up, down it with some potting soil, and we'll add some biochar and soil and to this, and nurture it along, right, and grow some more ginger. Love it.